Cheetah versus African wild dog looks like speed against stamina, and the problem for the cheetah is that speed is not enough once the fight sticks. The cheetah can dodge better and maybe create separation. The wild dog is harder to discourage and much more built for sustained pressure. If the cheetah cannot escape, it is trapped in a kind of fight it is not built to win. The dog does not need cleaner technique, it just needs to keep forcing exchanges. I give the African wild dog a 67% chance to win. The champion is the wild dog.